In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert an MP4 file to an MP3 file in VLC Media Player. So if you don't already have VLC Media Player installed, you can go and do that. Make sure you go to their official website. So once you type in VLC Media Player, go to videolan.org and make sure you only download it from here. Click download, it will download the installation wizard, which will take about 15 seconds to run through and install. Then open up VLC Media Player, go to Media, click Convert/Save, and here you need to select your file location of your MP4 file. So click Add, then choose the file location and the file, then click Open. Then you need to go to Convert/Save. Once you've done that, change the profile here from what it is by default to audio MP3. So scroll down, you definitely see it, click on that. Then you need to choose the destination file, so click Browse. I'm going to put it on my desktop and I'll call it Done. Now make sure you type .mp3 at the end. Some people report that if they don't do this, it still exports as a .mp4. So by doing this, it should fix your issue. You should also see .mp3 here. Click Save, click Start, and it will then start the conversion. Now you'll be able to see your new file, and if you right click and go to Properties, it should be as a .mp3 format.